second box of Labubu because this one we didn't get a secret, but it's still okay because we have 2 more chances. So let's go. One to 6, Mom.
1.
1? We're going for 1 first. Okay, first we're gonna get some luck. Please be the secret. Let's see if we can get a perfect cut. This is the bag. Toffee!
Toffee. Here is toffee.
Why do we always get toffee first?
Yeah?
Yeah. Como siempre agarramos toffee. Toffee es el primero.
Ahora 3.
3.
Oh, let me open for me.
Le voy a dar luck.
Dame un cuchillo. A ver.
My mom's gonna open it this time, but she's not gonna use. Oh. Is it not recording?
Yeah, it is.
Oh yeah, she
Magic.
got a good cut. Wow.
Surprise!
Light
Chivery.
Okay. Pásame la caja. It goes the green one first. 6 or 3?
3. That's not 3.
Yeah, this is 3.
Oh.
Because it's in the middle. Let's try to do my mom's way of cutting these. Get a perfect cut.
I like the new version how the eyes shiny
Right, like a diamond.
like a diamond. Look,
Okay, guys.
shine bright like a diamond, and
We're-
very soft.
Okay, guys. Let's see. We got. Guess what we got?
Green one. It's so meal.
Six or 4?
Six.
Okay. What do we get?
El gray. Oh, green one. Green grape.
Oh, our chances are
Dame ese
low.
para acá, ese es de Rocío ya. Green grape? No.
This was green grape.
Yeah, she won the
The blue one.
no, she had blue?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
people could get
Blue.
in this one. Sorry guys, we're talking about people wanting Labubus. If you want to buy some, you could ask the recorder.
Think about it.
Yeah. Just comment down below if you want some, and then you just have to tell her which one, and then she'll see if she has it. There's
Dos?
some-
Dos?
Sea salt coconut!
¿Pusieron dos?
Yeah! That's funny!
¿Ese era el que quiere Rocío?
Yeah. Okay, this is the one for my aunt. Step on. Last one, guys. We're gonna gauge it out like a scallop. Yeah, I think that's what it's called.
Vacíalo.
Sesame
No.
bean. No secrets in this
No
one.
secret.
Maybe we'll get a secret in this one. Okay, guys, come on. Put all of these back so we can have space to open the others. Last box, guys. Okay, so for this one, you could get loyalty, hope, love, luck, happiness, and serenity. And then love, we have her right there. Show her to the camera. She's so cute. Okay, time to unbox this, baby. What is your guys' favorite Labubu so far that we've gotten from these past two videos? Mine is hope, serenity, luck, and love. Because you need someone to love in your life. And then hope, because you need hope. We're gonna do that.
Uno.
One. Did you guys notice that all the boxes from the Exciting Macaron, they're all so small? Okay, secret love. I mean secret. A secret love, that's not a thing.
Secret magic.
Yeah, secret magic. What do you guys think it's gonna be? Love? Serenity? Or secret?
Yeah.
Okay. I think this one we're just gonna dump it out. Let's see.
Let me see. Another love.
How'd you know?
Another love. What is that?
It's love.
Love. Oh my god.
She guessed it.
Toma, ponlo ahí.
Okay. Love is in this one. Love she's right there. That is love. She's such a pretty one. I feel like it's for all the girlies. 2 to 6.
3.
3.
Cuando le abras, ábrele mejor abajo. Así, mira. Préstame, voy a abrir uno.